You have called this a judicial
coup d'etat.
Coup d'etat.
Yeah.
Strong words.
Yes.
You're a man of the law as well. Yes. I mean, both of you know
I'm an officer of the court.
What it is. To use such words, you've chosen your words carefully.
Yes.
And yet you've used them.
Yes.
Why?
This is because the Supreme Court, as it were, has given a judicial blessing to chaos in Parliament.
Chaos?
Yes.
The Supreme Court
Yes.
has given a judicial blessing to chaos in Parliament.
It's a joke.
And I'll explain. Now, you see that this country chose for itself a certain parliamentary democracy. We didn't choose the Westminster type of democracy, where voting rights reside in the speakership. And one other thing that I think the Supreme Court got wrong is that they got the reasoning logically wrong. Because when we speak of the speakership, it is not about one person, it's an office. And there are occupants. There's a prefect, there are 2 deputies. So we have a speaker and 2 deputy speakers. And so by our own constitutional design and architecture, voting rights do not reside in the speakership. So when you are sent from the ordinary level of a member of parliament to become a speaker or a presiding over proceedings in parliament, you don't have voting rights. It's the same principle that we converted into our standing orders. And that is why, as part of our rules of debate under Order 90, the right to cast a vote or the right to speak to the matters on the floor. If as a speaker, because you see, Parliament is a deliberative forum. You must have your say. Sometimes we just deliberate without even voting on a matter. So if as a speaker you don't have voting rights or speaking rights in terms of the matters on the floor, how can the Supreme Court interpret that to mean a deprivative of the right to speak and to vote? So they got the thinking logically wrong.
The justices of
yes,
the
they
Supreme
got
Court
the
thinking logically
wrong.
Right.
They got it legally wrong, and they got it jurisprudentially wrong. The jurisprudence underpinning a parliamentary democracy is one that the speakership has no voting rights. So you cannot be ascribing voting rights to occupants of the office of the speakership when the Constitution says no.